What's up, YouTube friends? Now this weekend we have a family reunion, so we decided to make some potato salad. And I also got a request to make my spicy potato salad, so that's what me and Maya are going to do today. Now I'll go ahead and leave the recipe down in the description box. We're actually going to 1.5 this recipe, but I'll just give you the measurements for the original recipe. So in this bowl I have 5 pounds of potatoes. I chopped them about 1 inch thick. I went ahead and filled it up with cool water. Brought it to a boil, and I boiled them for 15 minutes. I then drained them, and that's what I have right here. So next we're going to add 1/2 cup of red onion. I went ahead and chopped it earlier. 3 stalks of celery. 4 or 5 hard-boiled eggs. And next we're going to add what makes this spicy, and I'm going to use my hellish relish. I'll go ahead and I'll do a video on this fall when my garden's done. But you could just substitute chopped up pickled jalapenos or dill relish or sweet relish. So I'm just going to go ahead and drain the juice from this. The next thing we're going to add is 2 tablespoons of mustard. You could just use yellow, but I'm going to use this Dijon that I canned this last fall.
Like that?
Sure. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Next, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of celery seed. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika.
Oh, paprika on my hand. Oh, it smells like, that's some Takis. It smells like Takis.
And next we're going to add some dill. Now preferably you want some fresh dill, about 1 tablespoon, but I only have dried dill right now, so we're going to use that. And I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Now we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. And finally, 2 cups of mayonnaise or Miracle Whip.
Disgusting. I hate Miracle Whip and Mayo and whatever the other one's called.
So now Maya's going to give this a good stir.
Me. There's like 10 pounds of stuff in here. On my hands.
It's Miracle Whip.
I don't care.
Alright, and now our potato salad is done, and I think the color looks great. Now you just want to set this off in the fridge for at least an hour, but first we're going to taste test it.
I'm not.
I want to.
Okay, Carson.
And potato.
And now here's me.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
I don't like it.
Maya claims she doesn't like it, but she is a teenager. Carson, do you like it? Carson gives it a big thumbs up. And I think it's delicious.
Bye, YouTube friends!
Well, I hope you give this quick and easy recipe a try. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit the big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified as to when I post a video, hit that bell notification button. If you have a question about this video or any of my other videos, or just like to leave a suggestion for a future upcoming video, leave me a comment. If you'd like to support this channel, head on over to Patreon at Scrappy's Patch. For as little as $1 a day, we'll keep these videos coming. Head on over to Facebook and Twitter at Scrappy's Patch if you'd like to share crafting pictures and ideas. Feel free to share this video across your social medias. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.